Hello everyone, today we're diving into some crucial insights regarding mortgage rates as of late August 2024. Let's take a look at how the market is shaping up and what it means for you as a potential home buyer or investor. I'm Elias.
And I'm Alejandra. We are with Empire Fine Homes. Starting with the first graph, we can see the historical trend of the 30-year fixed mortgage rate. Over the past year, we have observed a significant climb with interest peaking early this year. But here's where it gets interesting. The yellow line represents actual rates, and as you can see, it began to level off and even start to dip in the recent months.
And the projection from Fannie Mae, MBA, NR, and Wells Fargo, represented by the dotted lines, indicates that the rates may continue to gradually decline towards the end of the year and into 2025. This is a hopeful sign for those considering buying a home, as lower rates could mean more manageable monthly payments.
That's right, Elias. And now let's move on to the second graph, which breaks down the impact of the recent drop in mortgage rates. Back in April 2024, with a loan amount of $400,000 at a rate of 7.52%, your monthly payment would have been around $2,802.34. Fast forward to now, with the same loan amount but a reduced rate of 6.44%, the monthly payments dropped to $2,512.
This change results in a monthly savings of $289.93, and over the life of a 30-year loan, this adds up to over $104,000 in savings. There's a substantial amount that can be redirected towards other investments, savings, or simply improving your quality of life.
These trends show a positive shift in the housing market, offering potential buyers a better opportunity to secure a home with more favorable terms. If you're on the fence about buying, now might be the right time to act. And stay tuned for more updates as we continue to monitor the market for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Thanks for watching.